guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha and today I'm going to show you how to make these Easter egg cheesecakes. The first thing you want to do is melt your butter, then blend your biscuits until they resemble fine breadcrumbs. Once your butter is melted, add it to the biscuits and mix together. Put a few spoons of the mixture into each half of your Easter egg, then press down firm enough to compact the biscuit mixture but not so firm that you break your Easter egg because we don't want that, and then pop them in the fridge. Next, you can make your cheesecake mixture by whisking together your cream cheese and double cream first. Once they are mixed, you can add in your vanilla, and I've decided to colour mine a pastel blue colour. So if you want to do the same, add some gel food colouring at this point. If not, move straight to the final step, which is to mix in your icing sugar. Get your Easter eggs out of the fridge and spoon in the cheesecake mixture until it reaches the top, and then you can smooth it off with a knife and pop them back in the fridge for a few hours to set. Once they are set, you can decorate them however you like. I melted some chocolate and then created a speckled effect on the cheesecakes by flicking the melted chocolate with a brush, and then I put the rest of the chocolate into a piping bag, piped it on and added some mini eggs. And that's it, your Easter egg cheesecakes are ready. They are super easy to make and really versatile. You can do whatever you want with them really. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on Saturday for another Easter themed recipe. Thanks for watching, bye!